Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at the AppendToPolygon tool. So the AppendToPolygon tool is really good for stitching up holes in your mesh, but doing this in a manual way. So you can use another tool called Bridge for this, so you could investigate that or research that in your own time. But I'm going to show you AppendToPolygon. So under Mesh Tools we have AppendToPolygon. These menus are sorted alphabetically. So if I click AppendToPolygon here, I can now select an edge, this one here. Then select over here. I'm going to try and click inside this little triangle, which just makes it a little bit easier. And then it's going to show me where it wants to put that polygon. And then I can press enter there. So it's now filled in that hole. I'm now going to hit Y on my keyboard, which is going to use the last tool that I used over here. And I can then click here, and then press enter. So that's looking at how we can stitch up holes in our mesh. But let's say we've got something like this. So let's say we've made these shapes and we want to join them together. It might be maybe two handles, two halves of a handle. It might be something you've mirrored. I'm not sure. So let's have a look at how we can use this on something a bit more complex. So Mesh Tools, AppendToPolygon. I can click this edge and now I can stitch it to this one here and press enter. But I don't have to just do that. I could actually click this edge and I could stitch it to this one over here. Okay, that's causing a little bit of an issue on that one, but I can essentially put it wherever I want. So I can start to fill in this mesh, so take these around here. I could then take that edge there to that one over there. You'll see sometimes it doesn't quite make it, it goes a bit odd, so let's just undo that. Press Y again to select our last tool, click over here, hit enter. Super. Again over here. So I'm looking at kind of securing the perimeter first. So I'm kind of drawing a polygon in here. So you can see there's another time where I've not got it quite accurate there. Hit enter. Okay, great. So now I've got the perimeter selected. I can now look at stitching in this hole on the top here. So I'm drawing this. So this is something that Bridge maybe can't do as well. So drawing these polygons in. You'll find it doesn't work quite frequently, so you'll find yourself hitting Control Z quite a lot, like this is making me do a fair few times. So try and hit inside those. Super, bridge across here. Really doesn't like me today. Okay, sometimes it's easier to change your angle and start from the other side, go across. Okay, select this here, go across. And then filling these last bits in over here, and then I'm left with a triangle here. So I might want to look at my topology or my geometry, the way things are flowing around. Okay, so this is why I really like that AppendToPolygon tool. I can make some really complex shapes. I can do the same thing on the bottom here. Okay, so in this video we looked at the AppendToPolygon tool. Thank you very much.